Welcome to my in-depth review of ClickUp, a comprehensive project management tool designed to enhance team collaboration and productivity. In this video, I'll walk you through ClickUp's key features, its interface, and how it can streamline your workflow. As soon as you log in, you're greeted with a clean dashboard where you can view all of your tasks, projects, and team assignments. One of the standout features is its flexibility. ClickUp can be customized to fit any project management style. You can set up various views like list, board, and calendar, depending on what works best for your team. For instance, the board view is perfect for teams who prefer a Kanban-style workflow. When it comes to task management, ClickUp offers a lot of depth. Each task can have subtasks, due dates, priorities, attachments, and even time tracking. This makes it not only a tool for organizing tasks, but also for keeping track of deadlines and measuring productivity. The ability to integrate with third-party tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom makes ClickUp even more versatile. The automation features are also very handy. For example, you can set up automations to assign tasks to team members or send reminders when deadlines are approaching. One of the things I really appreciate about ClickUp is its reporting features. It's easy to get a high-level overview of your team's performance, progress on projects, and upcoming deadlines. For teams with a lot of moving parts, this is crucial. ClickUp also allows you to track time spent on tasks, which can be really useful for billing clients or keeping track of internal productivity. Now, let's talk about the user interface. ClickUp is intuitive, but it can feel overwhelming at first. There's a lot of customization options, and if you're new to project management tools, it might take some time to get used to it. But once you set everything up according to your workflow, it's smooth sailing. Another thing I want to mention is the mobile app. ClickUp's mobile version is quite robust, allowing you to manage tasks on the go. It's not just a lighter version of the web app. It offers almost all the same functionalities, which makes it a great option for remote teams or anyone who needs to access their work while away from the desk. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video for additional insights and helpful tools related to productivity and project management. All in all, ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that offers a wide range of features for teams of all sizes. It's especially useful for teams who need flexibility and the ability to customize their workflow. However, its complexity might be overwhelming for beginners. I'd recommend it to teams that are looking for a robust tool with a lot of customization options. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials.